Hi, sorry about the light situation here. It's beginning to get dark outside and all that kind of shit, so I want to keep this video short. Today I got something new for you. It's unboxing. I got a package today, so let's go ahead and try to see what it is all about. Let's get some unboxing done. So this is the package, DHL Express. So let's go ahead and open this one up and see what it's all about. Okay. There we go. There we go. So this is the first thing I see here. Some kind of Mojo bags. I don't know. Okay, so let's see here. We got something cool here. Something going on. There we go. So this is basically what I got right here. This is obviously the Daejeon I don't know if it said what model it is. No, it doesn't. Let's go ahead and open one of these one up here. Wow, that's easy. Seems like it's perfectly, just some lubing on there, and I believe it will be all good. Well, I think I want it a little bit tighter on the springs there, but it seems similar to the one that I already have, something like that. This is model number 3, I think. I'm not really sure. Let's take a look on this one and see what this is. This is the green one. I think it's I don't remember the model numbers on these ones. This one feels better, of course. Yeah, this is, oh well, it can't handle 45, but almost 45, that's okay. So that's kind of cool. Let's see if I can take one out here. Oh no. Ah well, I will make another video where I go through all the specs here. Feels decent so far. So this will definitely be one of my favorites. So let's take a look on the last one here. I want to keep this video very short, as I said. This one is in plastic. I don't know why, but I don't want it to be plastic. It's fantastic. This is a more expensive one, and I can feel it definitely. This feels right. Feels very good. Some lube on these ones, and I think it will be all fine. This feels definitely very good. I have seen a lot of reviews on YouTube on this particular one, and this is a great cube. This one is this is my old one that I've been playing around with, the stickerless one. So I believe that the colors have something to do with what kind of model it is. This is the stickerless one, and I really like the feeling of this one. It feels very good. So I believe I can get this one just as good. I will make another video where I talk about how I like these ones or not. Anyway, I have some more stuff I want to show you. Let's put these ones to the side here. And this is of course the bags for the cubes. I got them for free. I also bought some stickers here. And here I got some type of cards. I don't know what this is. Some kind of discount cards or something like that, maybe. I don't know what that's all about, but I bought 2 sets of stickers. They are all the same. I don't know why I did that. I just thought I'd go ahead in case something goes wrong on some of the cubes. So that's what I got there. And I also got some lube. I thought I'd go ahead and try this lube out and see if it's any better than the silicone lube, the CRC that I got. So this is basically what I got right here. This is my 3 new buys right there. That's the stickers, that's the lube, and that's the bags right there. And this is my old one, the one that I had for a while. Feels great to play around with, feels awesome. I really like this one. So I will check this one out, and I will be back with another video. Oh, and by the way, there is something else that I want to mention in this order. I ordered these cubes on Friday, and today it's Monday. The shipping was supposed to be from China to the middle of Europe. So how is that possible in this short period of time? I mean, the weekend no one works, but I believe maybe the DHL Express people work, because I got the package today, so I thought it would take at least a week or so, but I got it today and I'm very happy about that. I'll be back with another video in a very short period of time now. I will go ahead and try out my new cubes. I will lube them, I will let them sit overnight, and I will do some adjustments on the springs and that kind of stuff. So I'll be back very soon. Bye.